Hi, I'm Glenn Dill, President of Core Competency Training. Did you know that 85% of companies recently surveyed said that they need people who have effective problem-solving skills in their organizations? So I would like to help you become one of those valued people in your organization. So in the next 5 minutes, I will share my 5 ideas problem-solving process for excellent problem-solving. Now, you know the biggest barrier to excellent problem solving is overcoming the biases and cognitive barriers that we all have. They cause us to jump to conclusions, make the wrong assumptions, and ultimately not identify the true root cause of a problem. Now, when that happens, the true problem is not solved, and our credibility as a problem solver has been damaged. We don't want that. So the way to prevent these types of mistakes is to utilize a structured problem-solving process and specific tools that will make your problem-solving process very effective. So I want you to learn a proven 5-step process that I have used successfully in my 40-year career. I developed this 5-step process by combining the best methods of several widely respected problem-solving methodologies, including Lean Six Sigma, PDCA, Quality Management Systems methods, 8D, and others. So let's dive right in. IDEAS is an acronym where each letter will help you remember each step of the process. The first step is to identify the existence of a problem. This may seem obvious to you. However, if you're not actively monitoring the environment where you work to identify problems quickly, you may not be able to become aware of them until the problem has become much more extensive. Next, you will need to define the actual problem as accurately and as fully as possible. This is the most important step in the problem-solving process. It is also the step in the process that is most susceptible to the biases and cognitive barriers that we just discussed in the previous section. How you define a problem frames how you will interpret the problem. So once you define the problem, you will begin to apply a series of structured problem-solving tools to gather and evaluate the facts to identify the true root cause or causes of the problem and design the solutions and evaluate those solutions to address the root causes. All of this work to identify a problem, define it, and evaluate root causes and solutions is wasted time if the solution is not implemented. So you must take actions to activate the resources needed to implement the solutions you design. Finally, if your solution is verified as effective, you must sustain the solutions implemented and monitor the effectiveness of these solutions. Once you equip yourself with the problem-solving competencies provided in the 5 IDEAS process, I want you to progress from just reacting to a problem to being proactive, then ultimately to being preventative in your application of the problem-solving competency. Well, I hope that you found this information valuable to you as you continue to invest in your professional and personal development. Now that you have an overview of the 5 IDEAS problem-solving process, I would like to invite you to learn more about this proven process by visiting the Core Competency Training website by clicking on the link in the description below. Now, visitors to our website will receive some additional free training videos and an opportunity to save up to 25% on our professional certification course in problem solving. I'd also like to invite you to continue watching our free YouTube training videos and subscribe to our channel. If you found this information valuable, please like us, share us with your friends and coworkers so that we can continue to bring you more of these free training videos. Remember, at Core Competency Training, our mission is your success. Thank you.